So Hailuo AI just released their new feature of character reference in their videos, in which what you can do is you can go ahead and take any character and out of that create amazing videos with the help of that character reference feature, and the results you can produce are really high quality and really cinematic. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and explore this amazing feature by Hailuo AI. Alright guys, so Hailuo's AI consistent character video feature is live, and how you can access that, first of all, on their homepage, you need to go to this create section. And yeah, before you guys know, there were only two options of image to video and text to video, but now we get another option of subject reference, right? So in there, what you need to do is you need to add your reference character and then input your simple prompt, and then it's going to go ahead and create the video for you, right? So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and add my character. So I'm gonna take this image of Tom Holland. So it's gonna go ahead and basically detect the subject, detect the face. And after that, what you can do is you can either crop the face of the character, for some more help. But I'm gonna simply go ahead and click on confirm. So now our subject has been uploaded. And then I'm gonna input my simple prompt, which is gonna be character inside of a library reading a book, right? So yeah, mind you guys, this subject reference feature of Hailuo AI is using their new model, which is S2V-01, which is only used for consistent characters with high quality videos, you guys, right? So yeah, for this prompt, I'm gonna go ahead and submit it. And this is the video it came out with, you guys, right? So yeah, it looks really good. I mean, the consistency in the face looks absolutely perfect. The quality is really high, and everything is too good about this. We don't see any morphing effect, any deformation in the face, in the consistency. Everything is top notch, right? So yeah, this particular tool, you guys know, before it provided us the perfect cinematic AI videos, the perfect quality, and now it is also acing in consistent character as well, right? So yeah, with the help of this particular reference character, I went ahead and generated some more videos with different prompting. So this is the first one. So we have character sitting in a library, deeply immersed in reading an ancient book. And yeah, you guys can see the consistency in the face is looking really good. Only we have a little bit of a deformation in the hands. Yes, that is ruining the video. But specifically, if we talk about the face, there's no deformation into that, right? So the next one, we have character playing a violin on a quiet cobblestone street at sunset. So yeah, this looks really good, right? So yeah, the bokeh effect, the background looks absolutely perfect, and there is a consistency in the face, although the face is really still. So yeah, we can imagine this kind of result. But let's just say if we want to go ahead and create something where the face is moving in the video, so yeah, for that, Hailuo AI really provides you a good output for that as well. So this is character sitting on a park bench looking up at the clouds, and you guys can see the consistency in the face is really good. Although the face is moving a little bit, our character is looking upwards, then sideways, then it's looking at the camera. In all of the results, the output turned out really good, you guys, right? So similarly, for the next one, I basically went ahead and took this character of Will Smith, and for the first one, I input my prompt that character standing in the middle of a battlefield, sword in hand, and explosion light up the background. So I basically, went ahead and generated some cinematic results just to see how it will turn out. And for that, the result is looking really good. Like, take a look at the background. Everything is really good about this video. Just we have a little bit of defect in that. The sword is appearing out of nowhere, but other than that, we can crop that part out, and rest is really good. Alright, so next one, we have another cinematic shot of our same character, which is Will Smith. So this is character calmly walking through a burning forest, flames towering around them, and you guys can see how beautiful this video looks, right? It looks very cinematic. The lighting is really good. Just a little bit funny, we see Will Smith a bit fat into that, but that's not a problem. The consistency in the face is really good. And the last one, we have this character perched on the edge of a skyscraper rooftop, gazing down at a neon lit city. And this one, I'm not sure about this. The face looks a bit weird, not exactly Will Smith, but yeah, you guys can see you can play around with your prompts to get better results. So this was just a simple testing. The prompts were really simple. Yeah. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of Hailuo's AI new amazing feature, which is subject reference, also known as character reference. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.